The production of carbonless printing paper is not simple. It requires going through multiple precise processes, starting from a single roll of base paper, completing cutting, creasing, punching, and overprinting, and then rolling and packaging. Every step must be precise. We conduct random inspections on each batch of printing paper, including printing tests such as tear strength and registration accuracy, to ensure that every roll of paper is stable before leaving the factory. Carbonless printing paper may seem basic, but it plays a crucial role in recording in scenarios such as logistics, finance, and shipping orders. Casperg paper adheres to strict process control to ensure efficiency and supports customers' large-scale stable output with the standardization of each process.